You are welcome to this day of SPSL training by Sedat. Today, I want to begin with demonstration of peer sample t-test. I if God permit, I will be able to do one sample t-test, but I'm using the data set for t-test, post-test combined to demonstrate the peer t-test. When you look at this particular data, if you look at through the variable view, so you will see that we have station 1 is an OSCE question examination. So we used this same spreadsheet yesterday for our independent test, but today we want to use the same. We want to look at peer test, the same set of students. We want to treat it as a group of students, not two groups now. So what we do is that forget about whether one is experimental, whether one is control. All of them. I want to compare their performance as station 1 with station 2. So we want to see. So if I want to do that, I will go to analyze. Then I drop my cursor to compare me. Then I will select peer t-test. You can see the box produced here, and you have. Let me reset so that you can see how it will look like. So it will look like this. Variable 1 that I'm interested in is the summation of station 1. This is station 1 in percentage. I will send it. I want to compare it with station 2. Station 2, I have the percentage here, and I select. Okay. So you can do more than one comparison, but here I want to compare station 1, the performance, with station 2. So if I want to do that, I've set my variable of interest, the summation, total score of all the participants here, and total score for the same set of participants in their performance in station 2. Then the moment I do that and I will click OK, it will generate the output sheet. The output sheet is here, and the first thing you will see here is the peer sample test. Okay, so you can see here, you can see station 1, the mean in percentage is 64.7, approximately 65%. This one is approximately 44%, that's 43.5. So the number, you can see the number of the participants remain the same because we are dealing with the same set of participants. And we are only comparing their performance in station 1 with station 2. So you can see here the correlation. Okay, okay, forget about that. Then I'm a peer sample correlation. So here, this is peer sample test now. So you can see station 1 in percent compare with station 2. You can see the mean. Okay, is this. So that when you look at it now, you can see that that's the main difference. So if you subtract 43.547 from 64.719, it will give you this 21. This is actually main difference. Okay. Then when you look at, there is the standard deviation of the mean difference. Okay, this is the standard error of mean. Then you have the confidence interval, lower and upper boundary. Okay, so you can see the t-test, the t-value. You are going to score that, record that, and you are going to report your degree of freedom. The level of significance are two things: the level of significance which we refer to as p-value, is 0.2. And you can see that difference between the performance of the participant in stage 1 and stage 2. The main difference is very significant. That's what you see in that place. And you can see the t-value is very high. Then, apart from that, looking at this, you can see that if you want to interpret this, that this set of participants did better in station 1 than in station 2. And the main difference is significant. And you use this kind of t-test when your hypothesis states that there is no significant difference in the performances of this set of participants in the station 1 and station 2. So here now, if I have stated that, I will reject the null hypothesis because it's significant. Whereas my hypothesis in the null form says there is no significant difference. Now there is significant difference. Okay? So that is how you treat this. And I think I have been able to tell you. But how you will merge, if I want to construct I will merge these two tables together. And what I do is that I will report this station 1, station 2. I will leave this particular, I will remain. I may then this population number, you leave it. Then I may not report the standard deviation. I may just report the mean difference. I may merge it here, leave this one out. If I want to report standard error of mean, I may report this. Then the level, the confidence interval, the t-value is a must. You must report. So you can combine it into one table. Then degree of freedom, then your p-value. So I will show you how we report that, maybe if time permits. Thank you very much.